Welcome back. We got some unopened 1988 Topps height of some junk wax. We're looking for maybe that Tommy Glavine rookie card. Always Nolan Ryan, Ricky Henderson,
Bo Jackson.
Bo Jackson, Don Mattingly. We'll take that. Let's see who we hit. Let's dig straight in. We got these from a dealer friend of ours who shows up a local show at the mall. He opened a retail box, so these should be legit. Piece of gum. Not too bad a stain. Let's see. 88 Topps. Jimmy Jones. Jack Howe. Tracy Jones Reds. Come on. Keith Hernandez on the Mets. The spit. Gary Templeton.
Maybe Larry Bowa's rookie coaching card will be in there.
Ooh. Bo Jackson. We'll take a Bo. Everyone likes a Bo Jackson card. Joel Youngblood. Danny Tartabull. Setting around for the last nearly 40 years. Give me a hit. Give me that Tommy Glavine card. I'd like to have that. Another one of them. Let's see what we got here. They get packaged these a little better. Ed Nunez. Wally Beckman. Joe Price, former Red. Danny Martinez. Checklist. Ooh, that's beat up on the bottom.
Yeah, what happened there?
Ron Kittle. Ozzie Smith All-Star card. Willie Wilson. Tim Wallach. Team called the Expos. Sparky! Yes, Sparky Anderson. Shane Raleigh. But yeah.
Hall of Fame coach, and no one appreciates.
Introducing the Flops Tee, the perfect shirt for anyone who knows the pain of another dud pack. Flops, another dud pack. Get your shirt today, because disappointment never looked this good. Go to the Reds Rippers YouTube page, hit the store button, or search Flops on TeePublic.
Let's see, it's always fun to open these. We got a real good steal on them, price-wise.
When you get some gum.
Only a couple bucks a pack. Good to have a friend in the baseball business. Let's see what we hit here. Just go for that chair. Seems like we've seen that. Alfredo Griffin. Me too. Bob Melvin, manager now. Where is some good Dwight Evans? What a career he had. Alex Trevino. Boy, this is a stinker. Future star Jose Lynn. I want the Tommy Glavine. I want Nolan Ryan. Where are these at? This is from a sealed,
fresh opened retail box.
Retail box. I expected more. Ooh. Come on. Rick Russell at least.
Larry Bowa.
Larry Bowa.
Frank White.
We got some real turkeys in here.
It's not looking good.
Jeff Robinson. Joel. Wow. These aren't even like... These are the duds of the duds.
That might be the worst pack we ever opened.
That might be the worst pack I've ever seen in my life. Thank you for watching.
At least we got some gum.
We did get gum.